Fiat 500. What a beautiful car to start your driving career for anyone young or someone in a big city, whoever is not comfortable parking in yet or just wants a small car or a second car. But there are a couple of things I'm not happy with it and want to improve them, and I want to show you what I'm about to do. So to everyone who knows my channel, this video will be quite strange because I'm mostly about motorbike shooting and also electrical skateboarding, but you know what, it's another content, why not, and I hope you guys will find it useful. So a couple of things I want to upgrade in this little Fiat. It's brand new, it's only got 250 miles, bought it for my wife, but I want to make it a bit more friendly and keep that new look. And this is what I'm about to do. So hopefully this will help you guys. So only been used for 2 weeks now, and inside it's a bit of a mess. So problem number one, the original mats are definitely not good, especially if you have a child. On the passenger side, the little mat does not even protect half of it. That's a little epoxy thing right in the middle. So needs an upgrade. Also, getting in and out of the car, you will constantly trip over this lovely and really wide bit right underneath your door. It gets all dirty and it gets all scratched up, especially by people who are trying to get in the back. In my case, a 3-year-old. We need to do something about that. This is a little tiny car, so the chances of you to get hit by another vehicle's door and put a dent into your brand new car or existing car, it's very high. We need to do something about that. And now finally, the car boot itself. Yes, it's a bit of a mess, but that's what happens when it's a family car. Well, a bit of bird feed here. It's a mess. Dirty shoes, wet boots, bicycles, whatever you want to have in there. But what happens, all this is going to ruin your new carpet. So we need to do something about that. Okay, let's go. First thing, let's clean up. Okay, and this is the way the boot should look like. And this is the way I want to keep it for a long time. Easiest solution. And this is how easy it is to install. It's a purposely made, molded for this vehicle, boot liner. There we go. Guys, I'm not selling anything. I'm not gonna leave any links for these products because it's not a sponsored video. It's just a guy who wants to keep his second car tidy. So now, anything spills stays in. You can take it out and wash it. Not too bad for £25. Good upgrade. And voila, we're done. Nice and neat and also protected. At the same time, guys, you don't need to spend a lot of money on like boot organizers. There we go, Sainsbury's bag with a bit of cardboard cut to hold the bottom sturdy. Done. Next step. Okay, so give you an idea of the difference between protection of your floor and carpets from the original mats, which are there at the front, with the aftermarket specially tailored for this car underneath, like for like. So this is the back, this is the passenger, this is the driver. Can you see the difference? Okay, let's install them. Okay, so this is the rear before and this is the rear after the installation. Even the middle part is protected and it goes all the way in under the seat, and it's got raised edges, so any water, dirt will stay inside. On this particular model, the Shield Auto Care, I did ask for 2020, but I had to alter it slightly. There is a vent right here, so it didn't fit quite well, but it's very easy fix. Just take a little notch out of the carpet, as neat as you can, and it fits just perfectly. One thing to mention, guys, is you do take the clips out of your original mat. You do remove the clips from this new mat, and then, well, you just clip it in. Nice and steady. Obviously, I'm not sure what you're gonna get. It's entirely up to you. Again, I'm not selling anything, just something I'm doing, sharing with you. Now, driver's seat. By the way, this is the passengers. It's now fully protected, so your passenger can do whatever he wants in here. You can always clean it up. I just thought I'd show it to you. So this is the original clip that comes with the other mats. Literally just pulling it and then clips. What I'm doing in this instance, I'm reusing the part of it, which I put from the top like that. And this is the clip, the original one from the vehicle. Clip it down. Same on this side. Just like that. Find the center. Clip it down. So now it is nice and secure. The driver's side went in like a glove, no problem at all, fits awesomely. Take a look. Just make sure that all the pedals are working the way it's supposed to be, nothing is touching, especially the brake. Loads of space, perfect. So here we go, guys. The carpets are now protected. Let's protect this trim. So before you do anything, guys, let's make sure the surface is nice and clean. I'm only using some warm water and a clean microfiber cloth. Okay, next step, let's make sure the surface is nice and dry. There's so many scratches here already. Brand new car. Aye, aye, aye. Then we're going to degrease this area, guys. You can use alcohol. I'm using the brake clutch cleaner. Anything that will make sure that the surface is clean from any oils. And this is the part we're going to use, guys. This is stainless steel Fiat 500 doorstep guard. It only gets fixed using the double-sided tape. It's very simple to install. These are not original, these are from eBay, but you know what, for 12 quid or 12 pounds, that's not bad at all. So this is going to go right here, and this is going to protect this step when you get it out of the car. However, we still got these places here that need to be protected, and for that I have ordered some materials, and I will cover that in the next video. We're going to protect this bit here and a bit further down. When people come out of the car, they don't scratch the side there. But for now, this will do. So find a position where you want to be. I would say aim for, let's say, middle of the seat bracket to 500, or between the two rain outlets. Okay, now you know where you're gonna go. You peel off double-sided tape. Simple as that. And because it's quite cold outside, guys, I'm going to use a hot air gun just to warm the surface up. Don't burn the surface. You can use the hairdryer as well if you want. We're just giving it a bit warmth, not heating it up quite crazy. And now we're going to position the protector, and if you are happy, we'll press it down. Press it all the way along so it sticks nice and firm. Make sure that the door closes. Perfect. So now when your foot rests here, it will sit in that stainless steel, which you can always peel off. Not bad, eh? Okay guys, and the last part we're doing is actually installing the side trim. Okay, these are aftermarket. They did not cost a lot. They're made of really flexible plastic. They're quite thick, so if someone hits your door, the first thing they will hit is this plastic here. Okay, same process. We're going to clean the surface. We're going to make it clean from any oils, and we're going to stick it down. The only difference is, before you stick it down, we're going to mount it, see if we like it, and use a whiteboard marker, not a permanent marker, whiteboard marker, just to give yourself a couple of lines, so when your tape is off, you know where to stick it. Now from this point, I'm going to fast forward it so you can see what I'm doing, but don't have to listen to me. Let's put some music on. So there we go guys, now the doors are protected. So if either car owner will decide to open the door into your car, the first thing that will hit is this thick, soft strip. So let's recoup. The doors are now protected. Our carpets are protected because we got new mats. The door trim is installed, will give us some sort of protection. We'll protect these areas in the future videos. And a couple other little tricks guys. Just because I'm a father, I find this quite useful. So you got a little clip for the headrest of the driver's seat. It does install very easily. It's literally on the spring. This is about £3, I believe. Makes a big difference because the little one can watch cartoons. No need for the fancy screen holders. And also, they always kick the rear of the seat. So this organizer here was about £2, I think. Really cheap. It's not the greatest, but it does the job. It protects the back of the seat when they're kicking it about, and also got pockets for some bits and bobs. So here you have it guys. I hope this video helps someone to make your little 500 safer and last you for many more years and keep the value of the car. If you did like it, please hit that like button below please guys. This way I know if I should make anything similar in the future video wise. Now, let's go for a spin.